Hi there, this is our DPP-270L liquid blister packing machine. It can pack jam, sauce, honey, and other materials into blister. The maximum output is 9,600 blisters per hour. PVC feeder, motor-driven. The feeding amount is very accurate. The foaming blisters are tall and straight. You can choose a suitable feeder according to your needs. Syringe pumps, ceramic pumps, peristaltic pumps. The accuracy is more than 99.7%. High-pressure heat sealing, producing no wrinkle, clean line results. Modular design, replacing the mold in just 10 minutes. We offer complimentary one set of molds, air shaft aluminum foil, easy operation. If you're looking for a blister packaging machine, choose Ruida packing.